Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. Okay, and I hope all of you are practicing maths also. Whatever we have done in our previous lectures, in our last lectures, you all are practicing and writing in your notebook also. Okay, you complete your notebook. Okay, don't let your work pending. Write daily work. Daily we are what I told you to write, to copy from the board, copy that time. Okay, now today we will continue again with our next topic. We continue the same topic. We are doing new chapter 3, numbers up to 99, and what we are doing in that chapter, we are writing the number names. What we are doing, we are writing the number names. So we have written number names till 70. So today we will continue writing this number name from 71. All of you open your notebook, sharpen your pencil, open new page in your notebook and write today's date. On the left side of your notebook, write today's date. What is the date today that you have to write? And on the top of your copy notebook, I hope all of you have opened. Those who have not opened, open your notebook fast. Fast open your notebook. Which notebook you have to open? Which notebook? Which subject I am teaching you? Maths. Very good. So open your maths notebook and write the date on the top of your notebook. On the left side of your notebook, here you have to write the date. What is the date today that you have to write? Now write the heading. What is the heading? What we are writing? We are writing number names. What we are writing? We are writing numbers names. So first let us revise the numbers names that we have done before, that we have written before. Okay. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 10? Anybody? Yes. Very good. What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Again repeat. T-E-N, 10. Very good. Now what is the spelling of 12? Anybody? Say loudly, what is the spelling of 12? T-W. Very good. Again. E-L-V-E, 12. Very good. Now repeat after me. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Again. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now write. Now what is the next number? Next number will be 15. So what is the spelling of 15? Yes, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Again. F-I-F, repeat after me, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Again, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Very good. Now the next number. What is this number? This is 11. So what is the spelling of 11? E-L-E, repeat, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Again, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Good. Now what is the next number? 20. 20. So what is the spelling of 20? Anybody? Say loudly. Very good. Now I am telling, listen, what is the spelling of 20? Repeat after me. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Again, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Again, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay, now next number will be 36. What is the next number? 36. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 36? First, what is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Very good. Again, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 36. S-I-X, 6, 36. Now next number is 55. Okay, what is the next number? 55. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Again, F-I-F-T-Y, 55. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. Now I hope all of you have opened your notebook. You have written the date also. Now write heading on the top of your copy. I am erasing it. What you have to write? You have to write the heading. What is today's heading? Same number names. You don't divide your copy page into these two equal parts. No need to draw this line. Okay, I am drawing this line. Now write number names from 71 to 80. This is a topic. Number names from 71 to 80. Write this heading. Number names from 71 to 80. Number names from 71 to 80. Now write on the top, next line, on one column what you have to write? On one column what you have to write? On one column you have to write T. What you have to write? On one column you have to write T and T. T is for tens and O is for ones. What you have to write? T and O. T and O. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. T and O. Okay, so what is our first number? Our first number is 7171. 7171. So what is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is tens and the place value of ones. 1 is ones. Now write the spelling of 71. Write 70 SEVENTY 70 ONE 71. Write with me. You have to write all the spellings with me. You have to write all the number names with me. Okay. I hope all the students are writing the number names with me. Write fast. Write in good handwriting. Daily I am telling you that you have to write in good handwriting. Copy correct from the board. No need to use eraser. Okay. Good. 7171. SEVENTY 70 ONE 71. Now which number will come after 71? 7272. 7272. Now first what you have to write? First you have to write the spelling of 70. SEVENTY 72. 2 TWO 72. Right? SEVENTY 70 TWO 72. Right? Next number 73. 73. Write the spelling of 73. SEVENTY 70. Spelling of 3. THREE 73. Right? SEVENTY 73. THREE 73. 73. What is the next number? 74. What is the spelling of 74? What is the spelling of 70? SEVENTY 70. And what is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4, 74. SEVENTY, 70. SEVENTY, 70. 4, FOUR, 4, 74. Write fast. Next number 75, 75. SEVENTY, 75. FIVE, 75. SEVENTY, 70. FIVE, 75. So this much you write fast. Then again we will revise it once again from 71 to 75. So this much you write fast. Okay, I hope all of you have written. Now let us revise from 71 to 75 once again. So what is this number? 71, 71. 71, 71. So you have to write the spelling of 71. So first you have to write the spelling of 70. What is the spelling of 70? SEVENTY, 71. ONE, 71. Now which number will come after 71? 72, 72. 72, 72. So what is the spelling of 72? SEVENTY, 70. Repeat after me. SEVENTY, 70. 2, TWO2. Repeat. TWO2. Very good. Now next number is 73. What is the next number? 73. So first write the spelling of 70. Now I hope all of you know the spelling of 70. You have learned. आ गई सभी को? Very good. So what is the spelling of 70? Say with me. मेरे साथ बोलना है, मेरे पीछे रिपीट नहीं करना है आपको. Okay, you have to say with me. So say the spelling of 70. SEVENTY, 70. 3, THREE, 73. Okay. Next number 74. 74. Say with me spelling of 70. SEVENTY, 70. Now say with me the spelling of 4. FOUR, 4. Very good. Now what is the next number? 75. So first you have to say the spelling of 70 with me. Say SEVENTY, 70. 5. FIVE, 5. Okay. What is the next number after 75? 76. You have to continue from the same page. Okay. No need to write this again. 76, 76. Say 76, 76. So first we have to write the spelling of which number? 70. Very good. So SEVENTY, 76. SIX, 76. Write it. Note it down in your copy, notebook. Note it in your notebook. 76. Now what is the next number? 77. Say 7, 7, 77. Repeat. 7, 7, 77. Very good. So now write the spelling of 77. SEVENTY, 70. And 7. SEVEN, 7. 77. SEVENTY, 70. SEVEN, 7. 77. Now what is the next number? After 77, 78. 78. So first write the spelling of 70 again. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 78. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 78. 78. Written? Okay. Now what is the next number? 79. 79. So first write the spelling of 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. And what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. 9. 79. Right? 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. Now the last number after 79 is 80. 80. So what is the spelling of 80? First we write the spelling of 8. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. 8. And 80? E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Very good. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Right. This much. All of you complete till here fast. Till 80. All of you write fast. Complete your work fast. Write in good handwriting. Written, all of you have written? Written till 80 or some are writing? Some are writing. So write fast those who are writing. Write fast and write in good handwriting and copy correct from the board. Okay, copy correct from the board. Don't copy the wrong spellings. Write the correct spellings. Okay, don't copy the wrong spellings. Okay, now I hope all of you have written. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to take a new page. You have to open a new page. So open new page and we will continue the next number names. Okay. We will continue next number names from 81 to 90. Okay, now next from new page again write, again continue same. What you have to write? Number names from, कहाँ तक लिखा अभी? From which number we have written? What is the last number here? What is the last number that we have written here? 80. So from here, from which number we start writing? 81. Very good. 81 to 90. 81 to 90. Okay. 81 to 90. Okay. Now in first one box you write T and another box write O. What is the meaning of T? T is for tens and O is for ones. Now all of you know how to write the place value, how to find the place value. Okay? Okay, now what is the first number? 81. So write 81. So spelling of 81. Spelling of 81. So first write the spelling of 80. EIGHTY. 81. ONE1. 81. Right? Copy the spelling of 81. EIGHTY. 80. ONE1. 81. 81. First write the heading. I hope all of you have written the heading. Number names from 81 to 90. And after writing the heading, what you have to write? T and O. T is for tens and O is for ones. Then after that, what you have to write? The first number 81. Then write the spelling of 81. EIGHTY 80. ONE1. 81. 81. Now which number will come after 8? Which number will come after 8? 9. I didn't say 81. I said which number will come after 8. So number after 8 is 9. So listen carefully what ma'am is saying. Okay. So now what is the next number after 81? 82. Good. You know the spelling of 80? Have you learned? आपको 80 की spelling learn हो गई? Very good. All students are very good, very smart, है ना? Very active students of class 1. All the students of class 1. Okay. But not all the students are sending their work to me. Their homework, what they are writing in their class work, their homework. Only few students are sending me their work. Why? Others are not writing. Other students, are they writing in their notebook or not? Are they doing homework or not? Yes. Then send your work to me on WhatsApp so that I can check your work. Okay. You are doing work. Daily you are writing. You are writing in a notebook. Then, okay. So those students who have not sent their work to me, send your work, okay, so that I can check your work. So I can also know now how many students are writing or not writing. So many students, there are few students those daily send their work to me. Daily. They send their work to me daily and I check their work and I respond to them also. So क्लास में भी आते थे मैम आपकी कॉपी चेक करते हैं ना. सो आपको आपकी कॉपी चेक करवाना है ना. सो क्या करेंगे, मुझे आपकी कॉपी की नोटबुक की फ़ोटो क्लिक करके सेंड मी. ओके ओके. नाउ लेट्स राइट व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर 82. तो फर्स्ट राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 80. EIGHTY 80 TWO2 82. Copy this. 82 EIGHTY 80 TWO2 82. Now which number will come after 82? 83 83. 83 83. EIGHTY 83 3. THREE 83. 83 83. 83 83. Now which number will come after 83? 84 84. Now which number? 84. 84. So first write the spelling of 80. EIGHTY. 84. FOUR. 4. 84. EIGHTY. 80. FOUR. 4. 84. Now which number will come after 84? 85. EIGHTY. 85. FIVE. 85. Again I am writing it clearly. FIVE. 85. Write it fast. Write this much fast. Copy correct from the board. 85. 85. No need to write this. Okay, if you have space in the same page, in the same note, so you continue from the same page, don't take a new page. Okay, I don't have space here, that's why I am writing this side, but I know you have space in your book, in your notebook, so you continue from the same page. Now which number will come after 85? 86. 86. Now write the spelling of 86. EIGHTY. 80. EIGHTY. 86. What is the spelling of 6? SIX. 6. 86. 86. Now what is the next number after 86? What is the next number? After 86 is 87. 87. Now we have to write the spelling of 87. So first write the spelling of 80. EIGHTY. 87. SEVEN. 7. 87. Repeat. EIGHTY. 80. SEVEN. 7. 87. What is the spelling of 87? EIGHTY. 80. SEVEN. 7. 87. Now number after 87 is, what is the number after 87? Which number comes after 87? 88. 88. Okay, now write the spelling of 88. What is the spelling of 80? EIGHTY. 80. And spelling of 8. EIGHT. 8. 88. 88. Now number after 88 is 89. EIGHTY. 80. Spelling of 9. NINE. 9. 89. Write fast. Now number after 89 is 9090. 9090. Now what is the spelling of 90? What is the spelling of 9? Anybody? What is the spelling of 90? NINE. 9. What is the spelling of 9? NINE. 90. So TYT 90. What is the spelling of 90? NINE 9 TY 90. NINE 9 TY 90. So copy fast. Okay, I am writing the homework here. What is the homework, maths homework today? What is your homework? Your homework is you have to write number names. What you have to write? Number names. That means you have to write the spellings. Okay. From 31 to 40. Okay, you have to write the number names from 31 to 40. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write the spellings. You have to write the number names from 31 to 40. So I hope all of you have written till 90. Okay, so today we will stop our class here. We will continue the next number name in our next lecture. Okay, so complete your copy, complete your work, learn all the spellings. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Bye.